Have you ever thought about how much personal information you share daily? Let's delve into this crucial matter. We live in a digital age where information is everywhere, and while that can be beneficial, it also brings its own set of challenges. One of those challenges is maintaining our privacy and protecting our personal information. Think about it. Our names, addresses, birthdays, and even our shopping habits are floating out there, often without us even realizing it. But here's the thing. This information is not just data. It's a part of our identity. That's why privacy is so important. It's about safeguarding our identities and keeping our personal lives, well, personal. Now, as consumers, we have certain rights that help protect our privacy. These consumer rights are a powerful tool in our hands. They empower us to take control and determine who gets to access our information. Remember, your personal information is just that, personal. It's not meant for everyone. Now, imagine you found a company infringing on your rights. What do? You take action, that's what. There's a powerful tool in your arsenal, known as the Freedom of Information Act, or FOIA. This act essentially allows you to request information about yourself from various entities. Think of it as an information mirror, reflecting back to you what these entities know about you. If something doesn't seem right, you have the right to question it. You may be wondering, how do I get this information? Well, it's as simple as sending a letter or making a phone call. Make it clear to the company that you're aware of any lapses in their investigation. Request for full account documentation. Who did they talk to? When did they talk to them? What exactly was said? You have the right to know. Now let's shift our focus to credit reporting agencies. Some of these agencies are, to put it mildly, less than scrupulous. They rely on automated systems to verify information, often skipping proper investigations. It's a bit like a robot playing detective, except it's your personal information at stake. Here's a quick tip to handle these automated detectives. When you're writing your letters, try handwriting them. It's a bit old school, I know, but it significantly increases the chances of your letter landing in the hands of a human being, someone who can review your concerns and take appropriate action. You might get automatically generated letters in return if your correspondence is typed. These letters might not address your concerns adequately, causing more harm than good. So roll up your sleeves, grab that pen, and start writing. Knowledge is power, and with the right information, you can take control. Remember, you are not alone in this. There are laws and regulations in place to protect you, and it's your right to use them to your advantage. So don't just sit there. Stand up, take action, and let your voice be heard. Remember, it's your information, your rights, and your life. Don't let anyone take that away from you. Now, there's a big misunderstanding about the Social Security card out there. Let's clear it up. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, we often overlook the fact that a Social Security card is not a form of identification. That's right. As surprising as it may sound, it's a truth that's been around since the 70s. Back then, it was clearly stated on the card, for Social Security purposes only, not for purposes of identification. Here's where the risk factor comes in. If your Social Security card falls into the wrong hands, along with your name, it can lead to identity theft. Fraudsters can open loans, make purchases, and carry out many other illicit activities under your name. So when credit reporting agencies ask for your Social Security card as an ID, it's a red flag. Don't fall for the trap. Your Social Security card is not a form of identification. So if you can't use your Social Security card for identification, what can you use, you may ask? Well, the good news is there are several other forms of identification that you can use instead. Firstly, consider your bank statements. These documents usually have your name and address on them, and they're often accepted as a form of identification. They're proof that you have a financial relationship with a recognized institution, which lends credibility to your identity. Secondly, your passport. This is a globally recognized form of identification. It's issued by your government and contains vital information such as your full name, date of birth, and nationality. A valid passport can be a powerful tool in proving your identity. Next up, utility bills. Like bank statements, these also bear your name and address. They show you have a residential address and are therefore a member of a particular community. However, bear in mind that these need to be recent, usually not more than 3 months old. Now, this might surprise you, but in some states, you can even create your own ID. Of course, there are requirements and guidelines you need to follow, but it's a possibility worth exploring. This could be a great alternative, especially for those who value their privacy and wish to avoid sharing more information than necessary. In a nutshell, there are several alternatives you can use for identification. Your Social Security card doesn't have to be one of them. It's essential to remember that you have a right to your privacy, and it's okay to assert that right, especially when dealing with credit reporting agencies. But most importantly, don't forget, you're in control. You have the power to decide what information to share and with whom. It's your right as a consumer, and it's crucial to exercise that right. Knowing your alternatives and being ready to use them puts you in a position of strength. It tells those you're dealing with that you're informed, you're aware of your rights, and you're not afraid to assert them. Remember, you have the power. Don't be intimidated, assert your rights. Before we wrap up, I have something really valuable for you. If you're looking to dive deeper into this journey of understanding and asserting your consumer rights, I've got just the right resource. It's an ebook titled Understanding Billing Errors, a Beginner's Guide by chiefironmountainpma. This guide is a comprehensive breakdown of billing errors with sample templates to help you navigate through your specific situations. It's currently on sale for a limited time at just $9.99. I promise it's a small investment that could make a huge difference. And for more content like this, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button. We're constantly exploring and breaking down complex topics to empower you with the knowledge you need. Thank you for watching. Remember, you are amazing and you have the power. Until next time.